Another common business planning mistakes is when you write your business plan, making it unnecessarily long and having unnecessarily complicated language, and even worse, using bigger words that you don't have perfect command of, and it just looks silly, and just adding length because you think longer plan looks better. Business language is direct and clear, because without clarity, there's nothing else. If people are confused, they're gonna stop reading. So don't use overly complicated language. It just has to be simple language. This is not a college essay. This is just to convey some few points clearly and quickly. Not too many buzzwords, because they just add confusion and abstractness. You don't want that. You don't want to make the plan too long if it's not necessary. And don't send out your complicated long plan. It just goes into the trash can. Or when people send me a long business plan, I don't want to read it, obviously. So my options are to skim it, which means I'm just trying to get the important points. Or I just say, can you please send a shorter version of this? So you have to rewrite it anyway, in a shorter, more condensed way if I really cannot read it. And before you send it, it's sometimes good to ask, how long should the plan be? What's an acceptable length? And whoever you're asking, they'll have different answers for you. So one size does not fit all. And before you send it out, just be sure that you get your plan proofread for grammar and readability and succinctness. Of course, your strategies have to be correct. Sure, I'm going to assume that that's going to be in place, but you also want to appear professionally, and just having simple grammar omissions or making the plan not readable immediately discredits the plan, and that's totally avoidable by having somebody simply proofread it. So that's that mistake, and it's easy not to make.